Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix calculator is not opening or not working and other any kind of issues face in Windows 10 related calculator. So how can fix this type of errors? Let's start it. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all you can go to your start menu and go to your settings of your Windows, go to your apps. After doing this tab you can find out a calculator in the list. Now here it is, click on it, go to your advanced options. After doing this tab you can scroll down and find out a reset and click on a reset. Click on reset. It takes up a few seconds to complete this process and you can see that reset will be completed. This is a simple and simple method to resolve all issues, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your search box and type of Windows PowerShell and go run as administrator. Click on yes button and open it. After doing this step you can copy and paste this command. Don't worry, it's available into the video description. So copy it and paste and hit press button, enter button. It takes up a few seconds to complete the process. Okay guys, after doing this step close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.